This video will demonstrate how SureClick Enterprise prevents malware from infecting a PC. To demonstrate SCE in action, we're going to show how it defeats a very common type of attack, a ransomware attack that uses a phishing email with a malware attachment. Here's an email from someone applying for a job. They've sent their resume in an attachment. It looks legitimate and I want to open it. None of my security products on the endpoint or email server has identified it as bad. That's because this document requires some user interaction to wake up the malware. As soon as I open the attachment, SureClick creates a micro VM for this instance of Word. At this point, the malware starts encrypting files on the PC, but SureClick spots this malicious behavior and warns the user immediately. Crucially, because the malware is isolated in the micro VM, it can only encrypt fake honeypot documents within the micro VM. It doesn't have access to any of my real documents. The ransom note has now appeared because it thinks it's completed the encryption process. If I pick up the window and move it around, you'll see it's contained within the Word document. It's not on my desktop, it's stuck inside the micro VM. If I open a command prompt within the micro VM and list the files, we see that they're all encrypted. But these are the honeypot files and not anything I care about. The malware also doesn't have access to the intranet, so it can't infect other devices on the internal network. I can deal with this malware just by closing the Word document. SCE terminates the micro VM, taking the malware with it. SCE's threat isolation, along with its credential protection capability, represents a seismic shift in endpoint security. It combines detection, sandboxing, and prevention in a single solution, with a single underlying technology. SureClick Enterprise is a game changer in endpoint security.